What do they call Japanese maples in Japan? Maples. What's going on, my plant peeps? Welcome to another episode of Outdoor Inspirations. I'm Kevin, and we're at Adcock's Nursery today to look at some upright Japanese maple trees that you can consider in your next landscape. These are going to be beautiful, amazing, and we can't wait to get into it. So let's go! All right, we're going to get into this first variety, which is Sango Kaku Japanese maple. This beautiful maple has a wonderful coral color to the bark, which makes it extremely vibrant and colorful. And we would choose this as a specimen tree. It doesn't get overly large, so there's a lot of places you can add this in your home landscape. So some things to consider with this one: it is deciduous. It is going to lose its leaves, obviously, as you see here, fall and winter. But the coral in this bark just adds so much unique texture and color to the winter look of the landscape that you see. And it's even going into some red colors here, and crimson to coral. It's a really nice color that you can add to all those greens and other standard, more popular, common colors that we have available. So this is very unique. It's not going to get overly large. It is an upright Japanese maple, and so it's going to be a nice understory tree to some of your mature hardwoods, or you're going to plant this as just a specimen plant by itself out in the open, maybe in a nice void in that shrubbery line of landscape that you may have. This can pop out of shrubbery, so you can actually have shrubs in and all around it. And wow, look at this thing come to life, just beautifying itself out of that range. So you get some multiple tiers happening. Just simply amazing. Now the leaf on this is more of a traditional maple style leaf versus having a cut leaf Japanese maple. So the leaf is very interesting as well. So it has a beautiful fall color that has that wonderful red tones and into this and into this and into this and also into the coral color. So you're getting a very attractive fall look with the foliage, and as the foliage drops off, you're going to get a really amazing bark showcase. This loves part sun, and it'll take some sun, but I wouldn't put this in any full sun scenario. It is more happy in that part sun. It can be full sun, but once lunchtime hits or just after, give it a rest from full sun and go into that nice evening relaxation without that super hot, intense sun on it. So just a great tree to add to your landscape, and we love it. All right, this next variety, a Seiryu Japanese maple. It's a cut leaf variety, which means the leaves are kind of shredded looking, so they have a lot of ins and outs in that texture. This is a green leaf during the growing season, and then as you get into fall, obviously it's going to change colors. And this is a beautiful specimen because of just look at how much leaves it's still holding this time of year. They will eventually drop. They're dropping now still, but I just love the compactness of it. It has such a dense, compact nature to the branching, so you're getting a lot of foliage. So it's a lot of impact for your landscape. This is another part sun to sun growing Japanese maple. It's an upright maple, meaning it's not drooping down. So it is upright. It's compact though, so it's not going to be a huge tree. So it won't take up a ton of your real estate in your landscape. So it's versatile. You can really put these, I would do them as specimens, like solo, in a nice inviting area that you want to have unique and interesting. Some people do rock work underneath to make it very simple and elegant. Other people plant smaller plants underneath it. So very versatile, very beautiful. Now this bark is more traditional Japanese maple bark, which is that gray tone. But look at that awesome burning crimson foliage. Great fall foliage color. Like I said, during the summer it is green in foliage, but a great Japanese maple to add to your next landscape. And last but not least, Emperor 1 Japanese maple. We chose this one because of the growing season foliage color, which is going to be red and burgundy. Yes, just like Loropetalum's red and burgundy, we like to add to our landscape designs because of the contrast to, put them in the comments below, green, usually, because most things are green and boring. Most plants are green, okay? So anytime we can get a silver, a yellow, or foliage of burgundy and reds, I'm all about it. It's gonna grow about 15 feet tall, so it is an ornamental tree. Use this as a specimen, generally by itself. And these make great impact for a focal point in your landscape design or at your entranceways. And then, you know, that burgundy foliage, reddish foliage, it's gonna get even more vibrant in the fall. You know, your fall bloom, your fall foliage colors of the leaves. It is deciduous, so the leaves are gonna drop, obviously. This has a very, very dark red to crimson, color to the bark. But just a great tree to add to your next landscape plan. And thank you so much for watching. We'd love to see you comment and give us a big green thumbs up. And we can't wait to see you guys in the next video.